Hi, Dr. Pacheco. Do you know of any other substances that could be mixed with fentanyl?
Yeah, one of the common things we see is that fentanyl is often mixed with all sorts of different drugs. We sometimes see ecstasy in there. We'll see other opioids, sometimes blood pressure medicines to create a different effect, and sometimes even more toxic chemicals, which recently in the state of Illinois, you had over 80 or 100 young people show up in hospitals with a bleeding disorder. I mean, they were bleeding out of their nose or their mouth, and they wouldn't stop. But once the drug toxicology reports came back, they were actually found out that the fentanyl that these people had purchased was mixed with a drug that was banned in the 1970s. And it was being used to mimic the smell of fentanyl because oftentimes when they make these drugs, they just make them with whatever they can to sell it. They're not really worried about anybody's safety. And one of these chemicals actually cause problems with bleeding. And you find that a lot of these illicit drugs are mixed with all sorts of different chemicals that can cause all sorts of problems. So you had all these kids showing up having disorders of bleeding, and it was secondary to the fentanyl use.
Thank you.